Hey everyone, Linda Borghi from Farmer Yard. How are you? And we continue to grow healthy people. I am in Brooksville, Florida. That is my new location. And I'm at Mr. G's eggplant factory here in Brooksville. And it's time to farm an eggplant factory. Yes, indeed. So let me show you step by step what I'm going to do. Oh, here they come with the pallets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these tarps and I'm going to cover this area, the entire area where it gets sun, right up to there, with the tarps. And then I'm going to place these pallets on those tarps so that the wind doesn't take them away. And that is called solarization. What it's going to do, it's going to really kill all of the grass, all of the live activity that's in this area, because the Florida sun is very hot. And then we have Mr. G over here who's going to watch over the entire operation. So I'll take a few pictures and let you see what it looks like after I'm through. Okay, kiddos, I'll catch you on the flip side. And until then, grow healthy people.